Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Zapier AI for workflow automation on USA accounts. Complete guide step by step clearly. To install Zapier AI for workflow automation on your USA account, begin by navigating to the Zapier website. Sign into your Zapier account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create one. Once logged in, locate the Explore tab at the top of the dashboard. Click on Explore to access the integration library. Search for Zapier AI in the search bar. Select the Zapier AI app from the search results. Click on the Connect button to enable the integration. Follow the prompts to authorize any necessary permissions for Zapier AI. After granting permissions, return to your dashboard. Next, click on the Make a Zap button to start creating your first workflow. Choose a trigger app that will initiate your workflow. Configure the trigger settings according to your needs. Once the trigger is set, click on Continue to proceed to the action step. In the action step, search for Zapier AI. Select the Zapier AI action you want to use, such as generating text or automating responses. Customize the action settings to suit your workflow requirements. Once configured, test your action to make sure it works as expected. After a successful test, click on Turn on Zap to activate your workflow. You can now monitor the performance of your workflow on the dashboard. Return to the Zaps tab to manage or edit your created workflows. To optimize your workflow, explore additional functionalities and settings within Zapier AI. Consider experimenting with filters and conditions for more advanced automation options. Regularly review your workflows to ensure they remain efficient and relevant. You have now successfully installed Zapier AI for workflow automation on your USA account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.